Do you spend a majority of the day on the phone, answering customer queries and booking people in? Or maybe your inbox is overflowing with hot leads, but when you get back to them a couple of hours later, the trail goes cold? Or possibly keeping a paper-based calendar just isn't cutting it anymore, with double bookings becoming a little too frequent? These are telltale signs that you need an online booking system, and fast. Taking this process online is invaluable in securing sales and keeping your customers happy. It allows customers to book instantly and in the moment before they change their mind. It means your business is open 24/7, allowing customers the flexibility to book on their own terms. That means no more leads will be lost in between them reaching out and you getting back to them. Online booking systems also help manage your business by ensuring customers show up. Many systems are capable of sending out text reminders to customers a set amount of time before their appointment. This greatly reduces the amount of no-shows, but as you have their money up front, if one does occur, you can keep a percentage of the payment as compensation for your time. And with the option to get your money up front rather than risk a no-show on the day of the service, you are in a better position to measure your income for the week. And even better, you get the chance to increase your revenue by upselling or providing packages or add-ons at the point of sale. Now, how exactly do you get it started? The first step would be to find a system that works for you. For service businesses, Acuity is a popular option. For hairdressers, Schedule should be your go-to. For fitness centers, Influx HQ. For trades businesses, Fergus. And for tourism businesses, Book It is just one choice. Why are there so many different ones? Well, what you'll notice is that most booking systems are fully targeted towards a certain industry. Most of them offer simple features such as handling rates, displaying specials, assigning discount codes, facilitating payment and settlement terms, cancellation policies, taking multiple currency payments and partial payments, and offering on-request and real-time bookings. But tourism-specific systems like Book It, for example, also handle add-ons like pickup locations or inclusions like lunches, so you can gather all relevant industry-specific data along the way. And trade-specific booking system Fergus allows you to manage the schedules of up to 50 staff, making sure this information is fully accessible by the tradies themselves, so they know where they are headed and when. Beauty and wellness specific software Schedule, on the other hand, is a complete booking solution for salons and beauty businesses, allowing you to manage a team of therapists and keep notes on clients' needs and preferences. So ask yourself, what sort of features you need from your booking system? Maybe you only need the bare basics, in which case system plugins like Acuity, who link up with the website builder Squarespace, may be a good option for you. Or maybe you need something a little more specific, in which case doing a quick Google of X industry booking system should turn up some good results. Do some quality research and then take the plunge. Your to-do list will thank you. How to choose a booking system. 1. Talk with your team to figure out what they need and want from the system. What can the system take off your hands? What features are non-negotiable? 2. Check that your list aligns with your company goals. Work out what features are important and will drive your business forward, and which are just a nice idea. 3. Consider your budget. Some booking systems cost to set up. Some take a small percentage off each booking. Which works best for you? 4. Some systems are usable within an instant. Some take dedicated learning hours for weeks or months. Are you open to a longer learning curve? 5. Check it provides reports and insights. Data drives decision making. Make sure the system provides you with the information you need to make your offering better. 6. Be aware of how your internal processes may change and provide training where needed. Make sure your team are kept informed of any changes and upskill them where needed. 7. Check it can be easily integrated into your site. You want customers to book on your site rather than clicking through to an external link. A slow loading external booking page could make or break a sale. 8. Ensure the system has a quality customer support process in case you need help. Nobody has time to sit on hold for hours. Make sure the platform is there to help quick, fast when you need it.